Hello, it's me again for the sixth video. And those tree cutters is still there, and look at that. Now we got, let's hope they won't chop down any more friggin' trees. They're just fixing up the area. Yep. Still an exact location, Pottsville, Pennsylvania. And look at that. This is just like riding in the roller coaster or any kind of rides that when I was in the Schuylkill County Fair 2 weeks ago. On the first day of August and the 6th day of August. And boy, the 6th day is pretty hot. And it's pretty warm, feels kind of windy out there. And look at that sucker. That's why I'm making a video just for anemone. And look at that. I think they got one of the old trees they tear down in the past. Back in 2021 of last year. Then they did like a little work in it around March of this year, about 5 months ago. In the beginning of spring, or was it like the dead of winter? Uh-oh, the chainsaw guy. Hold on. Would you be like a little closer? Texas Chainsaw Massacre, huh? Scary movie, huh? Kids are not allowed to watch that garbage. Yep. Only these stupid people were addicted to horror movies. I only like Nightmare on Elm Street movies, Robert Englund, and Michael Myers in the Halloween movies. And look at that. I'm going to give you like a little bit back up of the closer. See this over there? Open the window a little bit, Stanley. Sorry, I'm just painted everything. My window's a pain in the ass. Look at that, folks. Look at that. The mailman. Look at that. Yep, that's what they're doing, destroying Mother Nature. I wish they stopped doing this crap. Back in 2005 in our old house, they tear down the stewardess house to make it into a condominium, like the apartment houses, back in the spring, summer of 2005, when I was leaving school at the time. That's 17 years. Look at that. Look at that little sucker. Well, I hope you enjoyed the 6th video of the taking down the tree in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Hopefully I'll see you again maybe for a 7th, or if not, try to comment or ring a bell or subscribe if you like these 6 videos of what they're doing in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Enjoy the video and you have a nice day. Hopefully I'll see you later, maybe. Bye.